Hi, what's up guys? This is Charles here on Church Tech Media, bringing you another tech review for churches looking for tech solutions and perhaps on a budget. So today we'll be looking at the Saramonic SmartMixer. This is a device that would work together with your smartphone in bringing great audio quality. So nowadays, cameras on smartphones are so good. You get like 4K resolution, and people are beginning to use their smartphones to do their vlogs, their videos, and all that kind of stuff. That is awesome. But one flaw that comes along with it is that there is yet to have that ability to professionally mix the audio that goes into your video on your smartphone. And this is where the SmartMixer comes in play. So let's check out what comes in the box. So here we got some paperwork, some cables. Here's a mini XLR to a standard XLR cable. Some 3.5 jacks for your iPhone, for Android devices. And here's an aluminium hand grip, and at the bottom there's a thread that you can mount onto any standard tripod. Here there are two condenser mics that come with it. And here's the smartphone clamp for you to clamp on your iPhone or any device. And here, this is the thing that we want to look at. This is the Saramonic SmartMixer. At the front, there's a volume control knob, for you to control the volume that goes into this mixer. And there's phantom power that comes with it to help power up any shotgun mics that you want to connect to your mixer. And there is a toggle between playback mode and record mode. At the top, there are two inputs for the microphones and a cold shoe mount. At the side, there's a headphone port for you to monitor the audio. And this is a phone jack that connects to your smartphone device. On the other side, this is where you connect the mini XLR cable for any microphone that is connected via the regular XLR. And at the bottom is this hot shoe adapter for you to mount this onto the smartphone clamp. So now let's see how we can get this set up. First, you screw on the hand grip into the clamp, and next you slide on the mixer onto the top, tighten the adapter, and for this video we'll be using an iOS device. In this case, we'll be using my iPhone 6s Plus. So I'm gonna extend this clamp right now. And the good thing about this clamp is it really stretches out really quite far. So for such a big phone like the iPhone 6s Plus, I have a case on it and it's able to actually fit on. So let's see if it goes in. Alright, see, it goes in really nicely, and I can tighten it. Next, I want to connect the 3.5 cable into the phone jack and the other end into my iPhone's headphone port. And then, of course, not to forget to connect the two microphones that came with it. And there you go. This is how simple the setup is. Right now, we're going to do a sound test with the iPhone without the SmartMixer, and we'll see the difference in this audio quality. So right now I'm recording this video just using my iPhone and the mic on the iPhone. So we'll find out the difference between using this and using the SmartMixer. So now we're going to test the SmartMixer with different microphones, and we're going to see how the different sound tests actually sound when recorded on the iPhone. So first we're going to do a test with the the mics that came in the box. So this is how it sounds like, and I can actually control the volume as it goes. Sound check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and yep, and there we go. And so this is the setup with the RODE VideoMic connected to the Saramonic SmartMixer in input 1. And let's see how it fares on audio quality. Okay, mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. So next we're gonna connect the Sennheiser boom mic into the SmartMixer, and we'll find out how it sounds. So first we connect via this mini XLR on the side, and then we gotta switch on phantom power, and let's see how it sounds. Sound check 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One great way to set up this rig is to get a tripod. You know, you can get one that is big, or you can just get one like this that is really small and portable that you can just simply set up on your desk. How this works is you can screw on the hand grip onto your tripod. Once it's fastened, you can just put it down at your desk. And right now I'm recording this video on my iPhone with the SmartMixer on it, on a tripod, and I have my hands free, and now I can do things with my hands. I can use props as illustrations and whatever you want to do. So this is another great way for you to shoot your vlogs, your videos, right at your desk. So you might be asking, how would this work in my church? You know, if you're a pastor or a church leader, this setup will be great for you to record short vlogs or video clips that you can send out to your church members or your cell group members to give them a word of encouragement, or maybe even a now word that you feel that God is putting on your heart to tell them. And this setup is something that you can use on the go, at home or in the office. And so I hope this is something that will be helpful for you and your church.